Good morning, Rita ma'am.
Good morning, Shruti ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm not that good, ma'am. I'm really worried about my students.
Oh my God, what happened?
Ma'am, my students are really sharp and they are very diligent students. They have a lot of potential to score good in CAT, but somehow they are not able to get time for preparation. Although they are getting good marks in mathematics, but in VARC their score is really not improving, and that is troubling me.
I can well understand that. So, what is the trouble that they are actually facing?
Ma'am, in reading comprehension and in critical reasoning, you know that it is the vocabulary, knowledge of vocabulary that is the most important thing. If you don't understand the nuances of the meanings of that sentence, then obviously you get into the trap of wrong options. And that's exactly what is happening with my students. And they're not getting time really to work on vocabulary because they have to do a lot of things in their reading comprehension. They have to read a lot, they have to solve a lot of mathematical problems, then they have to also invest time in understanding data interpretation and logical reasoning. So where's the time to actually work out for vocabulary?
So, can you? I can actually empathize with the situation because we have also, faced such situations. But can you give me some specific examples?
For example, ma'am, last mock they were actually confused between two words, that was reluctant and reticent. Now the author's attitude was reticent. That was more of introvertness, and they marked it as reluctant, and they got it wrong. So these are small things which are getting them minus marks.
Okay, so they were not able to comprehend the minute difference in the meaning.
Yes.
Reticent means somebody who is reserved, somebody who keeps his thoughts to himself. Okay, whereas reluctant is somebody who doesn't have the intention to do something.
Exactly. The same thing happened in the critical reasoning question when they were confused between egotist and egoist.
Okay. So here I would suggest a sort of, you can call it mnemonics or any such trick. For example, egoist and egotist. Egoist is the person who is again self-concerned, self-bothered. He doesn't think of anyone else. And who is an egotist? Please note the T letter. The T letter stands for talking. Yes.
Apne muh miyan mittu, ma'am.
Exactly. The one who keeps on talking about his achievements, who brags about his salary, his looks, his intelligence.
Wow, ma'am, आप कितने अच्छे से समझाते हो. I wish मेरे सारे students को ऐसी कोई faculty मिल जाए जो इतने अच्छे से उन्हें समझा दें और उनका time भी waste ना हो.
But not to worry at all, ma'am. See, we have this lovely book, Word Power Made Easy, in which all these personality types and various other facets of life have been discussed extensively. There are a lot many exercises also, which if the student, work out, they will become masters at vocabulary. So why don't you suggest this book to them?
Yes, I have suggested this book, but the problem is that they don't have time to flip on the pages of these books.
Obviously, I can understand
And
they must be working professionals.
Yes.
You were saying something.
So they are working professionals. They are already students who are graduating from some kind of college. So they really don't get time to read these books, and hence we should come up with some solution to it.
Okay, so we have found a solution at last. Here at Supergrad CAT from Top Rankers, what we have done is we have come up with an amazing series on this book. So what we have done, we have converted the sessions which have been given in this book into interesting videos, which are sure to not only to develop the interest of the learner among the vocabulary, but they are going to make them vocabulary lovers and vocabulary enthusiasts. Because see, if you have a video format, then you don't have to worry about the time or the space to keep on doing the exercises, and there are other benefits as well.
Wow, ma'am, that's a good solution. So that you can learn vocabulary anytime and any place you are in,
as per your convenience, as per your comfort, and as per your own ease.
So do check out the playlist of Word Power Made Easy video series by Top Rankers Supergrad CAT.
So don't forget, Supergrad CAT from Top Rankers.